Because all I'm doing is measuring, putting this on that line.
Yep, we're going to be right on the mark.
This rail here.
Yep, yep. And because of the 1/2 inch offset, now the saw will cut at the 16.2.
But you're measuring at 1.5.
16, 1.5. Yep.
Both ends.
Yep. It's a little bit confusing to go through all that, but I wanted you guys to be able to understand.
It helps. Yeah. I remember a little longer if I can make reason why.
Yep. Your jig isn't quite tight, so go ahead and pull the saw off the. There you go.
Behind you, I'll find it there. Oh, you got it.
I remember you,
That's plenty tight.
What kind of?
Yellow pine. That's what we have a lot of. And then I'm also have a bunch of oak, so I may end up building one out of oak eventually.
Go ahead and let the chain stop before you come off the jig.
Let me hook up.
Yes, it is. I'm sweating under this vest. So the top is up and there's the arrow.
It's the kind of day you get a little bit of a sunburn.
There you go.
You know, you don't really feel it because it's windy. Yeah.
said to go flush to this.
And ironically,
Yep.
this feels really cool to me because it's
Yep.
already hot. So we're at
Right there, just like that.
Oh, really? Where are you from?
Texas, right on the Gulf of Mexico,
Get your hands on it.
up against Louisiana. So we're already
Use it
having
rather than just
85-degree days.
Yeah.
think about it.
Yep. Yeah, you can watch a video all day, but until you actually use it. But after about your third, fourth one,
I can see that.
you'd be like all day long.
Yeah.
And what Brian said,
Are you all the way down? I don't think you quite made it all the way to the stop on this one. Get your bar guides lined up on the rail first.
There is no rush.
Yep.
Your chain
There you go.
should be on or off before you get started. I don't know.
There you go.
So you've got to take the brake off in order to cut. But then
I gotta do this cut.
set
Yep.
the brake
So go around the.
before you pull this chainsaw back off. Just so,
Okay.
because if that
I do
chain
like that
is
little saw.
rotating,
Say again. Yeah.
Are those set-offs for, like, that's a 1/4 inch chain? Are they going to be okay for 3/8? Or you got to adjust it a little bit?
The jig.
No, the standoffs on the wheels.
So
I mean, does it matter if it's
no.
the chain at all?
No. Chain size doesn't matter.
Okay.
The standoff is set by the bar guide. It has nothing to do with because everything
Yeah, the
as it gets
the inside edge of the, gotcha.
yeah, everything as it gets bigger builds to the
Yeah, it doesn't matter what curve
to the part that you're taking out. Yeah.
If you step up in log size or timber size, do you step up your chink width or is it consistent for all sizes in logs?
The way we standardize everything, it's 1 inch no matter what size it is.
Okay.
If you want to, we can build it with a bigger chink gap or a smaller chink gap if you want to.
Right.
But that's where it's going to stay.
But it's still going to be consistent
Yep.
based on your jig.
Yep.